Why choose AR in your brand marketing in 2021? Well, 2020 is behind, but it's still hard to predict what's coming next, especially for brands which strategic plans might turn around in a matter of seconds. But there is one solution that is flexible enough to sustain any digital shifts. Digital does not always mean cold and dry communication. With AR, it turns into a living and breathing experience. Immersive technologies are best suited to recreate places, objects, and creatures that cannot be done in real life. Use it for your advantage. My name is Daria, and I'm a founder of WeAR Studio. 2020 was a big year, so I've decided to share some insights on how to make a change with XR technology, specifically with augmented reality in brand marketing. For a couple of years, big brands were testing out the possibilities of AR for marketing campaigns. Some of them, like Skoda, used the technology to promote new Cirque du Soleil program. And some of them, like Burger King, tried it out for guerrilla marketing and won Webby Awards for it. So what makes augmented reality a perfect choice for your marketing activities in 2021? First, AR creates a bridge between digital and physical worlds. Today's reality demands distance between us, so we're looking for more emotional connection. So how do you stay relative and create a connection in this digital world? The biggest advantage of AR is incredible immersion. Through the usual smartphone, both Apple and Android provide tools for high-quality content that can be put in everyday surroundings, blending with it or totally changing it. Take a look at IKEA and Space 10 experimental project, an ongoing series of digital proposals and prototypes that explore how tomorrow's technology may redefine life at home. Right now, there are 18 experiments, one of them an optical sound systems design prototype for an augmented reality application which would allow you to see music within your environment. Secondly, AR apps and content do not care about any lockdowns. We don't know how long it will last, and we don't really bother, because our apps work just the same and bring the same experience wherever you are. Take a look at the most popular face filters TikTok and Snap offered in 2020. Take even a closer look at the surroundings of the users on most popular videos with these filters. Millions of them are having fun inside their homes because this type of content is suitable for any environment. And it's madly popular. Even more than that, Nintendo announced a new Mario Kart game specifically designed for in-house entertainment. Put markers around the room, place a cart on a track, and play via Nintendo Switch, so you can turn your usual surroundings into a racing track. Thirdly, and most importantly, AR is becoming a new media itself. Now, if you are not ready to create your own experience, you can be the one who's using AR ad space. Because ready or not, augmented reality is becoming a new media of its own. What unites Snap, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook? AR is a technology that uses the world around you as a screen, which opens up more advertising opportunities. Gucci, Nike, Levi's, and more use Snapchat as one of the leading marketing platforms in 2020, utilizing augmented reality to put the user in their shoes. So these are the reasons we think you should dive into immersive world of augmented reality, especially this year. And if you're ready, we're ready too.